Hello all, my name is Sujin George and welcome to this lecture series of surveying. Today we will be solving some numericals on sensitiveness of the bubble. In the previous class we had derived the formula for calculating the sensitiveness of the bubble as well as the radius of curvature of the bubble tube. So we will go by that once again. The radius of curvature formula is given by R is equal to N into L into D upon S. Now here N is the number of divisions through which the bubble deflects. Small l is the length of one division. Capital D, it is the distance between the level and the staff. And capital S is the intercept between upper and lower readings. Okay. Now all these values like L, D and S, they all should have the same unit. Okay, like if they are in mm, then all should be in mm. If they are in meter, then all L, D and S should be in meter. Okay, then only you will get the value of radius in meter. Okay, now if we need to find the angular value of one division, if this angular value of one division has to be found out, so here the formula is given as alpha dash is equal to S upon dn multiplied by 206,265, and the value of this alpha dash will be given in seconds. You can call this as angular value of one division, or it is also called as the sensitiveness of the bubble. Okay, both are one and the same thing, and it is given by alpha dash is equal to S upon D into N multiplied by 206,265. The value will come out in seconds. Okay, so based on these two formulas, let us solve some numericals. So this is the first numerical. Find the radius of curvature of the bubble tube if the length of one division is 2 mm and the angular value of the division is 20 seconds. This is angular value of the division is 20 seconds. So what is given to you in this problem? First, we have to find the radius of curvature of the bubble tube. Okay, so we know the formula for radius of curvature. The formula is given as R is equal to NLD upon S. So first let us write down the formula. R is equal to N into L into D upon S. Okay. Now this R is the radius of curvature. That is what you have to find out. Now what is given? Length of one division is given. That is L. So L is equal to 2 mm. The value of L, it is equal to 2 mm. Let us convert into meters. So 2 mm will be equal to 0.02 meter. Okay, because 1 mm is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 meter. And the angular value of the division is 20 seconds, means alpha dash value is given as 20 seconds. Okay, see this angular value of one division, that is alpha dash, is given as 20 seconds. So how can we find the radius of curvature from this formula? Now alpha dash is 20 second is equal to what? It is equal to S upon dn into 206,265 seconds. So this will be equal to S upon D into N into 206,265 seconds. Okay. Now we know that this is alpha dash is S by dn into 206,265. So we can write this equation in this manner, that this will be L upon S upon dn. Okay, we can write this like this. Fine. So here also S upon dn will be what? It will be alpha dash upon 206,265. So this S upon dn can be substituted over here. Okay, S upon dn, value of this can be substituted over here. So what it will become? This will become L upon alpha dash multiplied by 206,265. Okay, this will become L upon alpha dash multiplied by 206,265. So R is equal to L upon alpha dash into 206,265. Now we know L, that is 0.02 meter. We know alpha dash, that is 20 seconds. So simply substituting, this will become 0.02 upon 20 into 206,265. Now this 20 is in seconds. 206,265 is again in seconds. And this 0.02 is in meter. So we'll get the value of R in meter. The second will get cancelled. And the value of R, it comes out to 20.6265 meters. Okay, that is the radius of curvature of the bubble tube. It comes out to 20.6265 meters. Now suppose this angular value of the division is given in 20 seconds. Suppose if it is said that this value is given as 1 minute. Okay, the angular value of the division is given as 1 minute, then you will have to convert this into seconds. Okay, like 1 minute is equal to how much? 60 seconds. And then substituting the value of 60 over here, you will get the answer of radius of curvature. Okay, if the value is given in minutes, you have to convert it into seconds. Fine. Let's solve another problem. When the bubble is at the center, the reading on the staff 100 meter from the level is 2.55 meter. Means when the bubble is at the center means the reading will be horizontal. Okay, when the bubble is at the center, reading will be horizontal. So telescope will be horizontal, so line of sight will be horizontal, and this is the level staff. And reading, it says it came out to, the reading came out to 2.550 meter. The reading on the staff 100 meter from the level means, suppose this is the level, it is at a distance of 100 meter from the level, from the staff. Okay, now the bubble is then deviated by 5 divisions and the staff reading is 2.50 meters. Means 2.50 will be lower than 2.55. Means when it is deviated by 5 divisions, this must have gone like this. The telescope might have inclined downwards like this. So the reading that we got, it came out to 2.50 meter. Okay. So if the length of one division of the bubble is 2 mm. Now what is given over here? See, this distance capital D is given as 100 meters. Okay. This is the staff intercept, that is S. Now S will be what? It will be equal to this 2.55 minus 2.5. So S is given as 2.55 minus 2.5. So this value comes out to 0.05 meter. Okay, this S is the staff intercept. It comes out to 0.05 meter. The bubble is then deviated by 5 divisions. Means deviated by 5 divisions means n is equal to 5 divisions. Isn't it? N is equal to 5 divisions. If the length of one division of the bubble is 2 mm, means L is equal to 2 mm. So 2 mm will be equal to, in meter, we have to convert this into meter. So this will be 0.020 meter. Okay, this is actually the length of one division. Calculate the radius of curvature of the bubble tube and the angular value of one division of the bubble. So now if we need to calculate the radius of curvature of bubble tube, so the formula is given this like this. Okay, so radius of curvature R is equal to N into L into D upon S. Okay, now here all the values are given. See, all the parameters is given. N is given, L is given, D is given, S is given. All the parameters are there. So simply substituting all these values over here. Now N is 5, L is 0.02, N is 5 into 0.02 into the distance capital D is given as 100 meters and S is given as 0.05 meter. So this will become D is 100 meters and S is 0.05. Okay, so all the values are in meters. N will be in 5 divisions. Okay, so it doesn't have any unit. L has the unit of meter, D has the unit of meter, and S also is in meter. So meter will get cancelled, and ultimately this radius value will be in meter. So if we calculate this, the value, it comes out to 20 meters. So the radius of curvature, it comes out to 20 meters. Now also we need to find the angular value of one division of the bubble. So angular value of one division, formula, angular value of one division of bubble, that is alpha dash, is equal to S upon dN into 206,265. So S, we know S is equal to 0.05, D is also 100 and N is 5 into 206,265. So after calculating these values, it comes out to 20.6265 seconds. The value of alpha dash is in seconds, or the unit of alpha dash is in seconds. Okay, we can say that this angular value of one division of bubble is equal to the sensitiveness of the bubble itself. Okay, now let us solve another problem. A bubble tube of a level has a sensitiveness of 20 seconds per 2 mm division. Find the error in the reading on the staff held at a distance of 100 meter from the level when the bubble is deflected by 2 divisions from the center. Okay, now in this case, what is given to you? See, the bubble tube of a level has a sensitiveness of 20 seconds. Means this alpha dash value is given. It is equal to 20 seconds per 2 mm division. Per 2 mm division means the L is equal to 2 mm. Okay, this L is equal to 2 mm. Or this L is equal to 2 mm, and here at a distance of 100 meter from the level means this D is equal to 100 meters. Okay, D value is equal to 100 meters, and this is actually not L, this is actually N. N is equal to 2 divisions. Okay, N is equal to 2 divisions. Now here we know that alpha dash is equal to S upon D into N into 206,265. See, what it is asking to find out, find the error in the reading on the staff. Error in the reading on the staff is, like for example, this is the level and this is the staff. So one reading will go like this and the other reading will go like this. So error, that is the staff intercept S, has to be found out. Okay, other parameters are given, rest all the parameters are given, just you have to find out the value of S. So simply substituting, this will be alpha dash is 20 seconds is equal to S upon D is 100 and N is equal to 2 divisions into 206,265. So on calculating this, the value of S, it comes out to 0.019 meter. The value of S, that is the value of error, it comes out to 0.019 meter. Okay. Now, if we need to find out this value of N, okay, if you need to find out this value of N, it is saying that the level has a sensitiveness of 20 seconds per 2 mm division. Okay, it has a per 2 mm division, means for 2 mm division, the 20 second, this is error is given. Okay. So this is how you will be calculating the value of S and you can solve the problem on sensitiveness.